FedEx just showed up. The President of Zama just sent me this carburetor maintenance kit. I can't wait to show you what's in here. This is super cool. Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon again. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you're all having a fantastic day, especially you, Mr. Randy Sherman. Randy Sherman is the president of Zama. He got my mailing address from my website, by the way, which is right there, stevesmallenginesaloon.com, if you care to check that out one day. You can imagine my surprise when I opened an email and it was from the president of a gigantic multi-bazillion dollar company. I got to make this very clear. He did not ask me to do a video on this. He just simply said, Steve, I'm sending you a carburetor maintenance kit. I want you to try it out and let me know what you think. That was it. I'm doing a video on it anyway because this is just too awesome. I can't wait to show you what's in here. Let's bust her open. Carburetor maintenance kit. Got a little instruction manual on how to use some of this stuff. This right here is the tool that you use on a Zama carburetor for adjusting the height of the metering lever. That's what that's for. We got a pressure pump right here with the hose. And there's a little adapter here depending on what you're pumping. Works perfectly. Love it. There's that right there. That right there, and then this is just the coolest thing ever. Check this out. It's a little carb stand. It's quite heavy. You put that on your bench like that, and you take a carburetor, and it slides right on those two pins, just like that. The idea of that is so your carburetor's not rolling around on your bench while you're trying to fix something on it. You can just pull it on there. Flip it over, do that. It also pivots on here. There's four, you see these holes in the back right here? There's 4 different positions that this carburetor can pivot on. I'll show you that like right there. You just pull this pin out the back and you just spin that around to 4 different positions and then put the pin back in. Makes it nice and easy depending on what side of the carburetor you're working on or what you're actually doing on that carburetor. Oh, by the way, I have to tell you a little secret. Oh, don't tell anybody this because I don't think I'm supposed to say this. But this kit also works on Walbro carburetors. I know that's Zama's competition. It works on Walbro carburetors, Zama's, and the Chinese knockoffs of both of those carbs right there. That just makes this thing even sweeter. If you want to check this kit out for yourself, I do have some links underneath this video in the description and the pinned comment section. Check one of these out for yourself. I can't really tell you what the price is on this because it depends where you live. You got to click on that link and it'll tell you what the price is in the currency and everything where you're at. Check that out. I don't think they're very expensive, but I got this one for free. This is definitely a thumbs up situation right here. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this with your friends. Put some comments down right in the comment section underneath this video. Tell me what you think of this. I think this is just super cool. Randy Sherman, thank you, Mr. President. You want to watch something else now? Click on that video right there next. Till then, cheers. Steve out.